family, this is Darlene. Sitting here making some jewelry, and I figured I would come on camera and show you how I made these pearl drops. These little earrings right here. The little pearl drops. And I'm sitting at my other table because I have stuff. When I say I got stuff everywhere, I have stuff like everywhere. And I told myself I was going to come in here today and clean this room out and throw away some stuff and package up some stuff and move some stuff around. It didn't happen. It did not happen. But I hope everybody is doing okay. I wanted to thank a couple of people for purchases. I wanted to thank Keisha. You know, you was just live. Keisha went to a little website where you could buy me a cup of coffee. And she didn't just buy me one cup of coffee. She bought me 5 cups of coffee, okay? I said, ooh, she trying to keep a girl up all night long. She like, Darlene, you get no rest. Just drink coffee, okay? So I'm going to have to go ahead and stretch that out. We won't be drinking 5 cups in one day, I assure you. Okay, but I wanted to say thank you for the support. Thank you for the orders. Thank you for just visiting the website, my Etsy page, for following over there. Not the Etsy store, but the Instagram. Thank you for following on the Instagram. And I'm thinking a couple people found me on Facebook as well. So thank you for liking the page over on Facebook. Just everything, just the support, period. Just straight out support. Yesterday I stopped at one of the sisters of the church, my church. Actually, I just dropped off a real pretty plant and a card because she was in the hospital for a couple of days. So on my way to her house, I have another friend that lives down the hill from where the sister lives at. So what she normally does, the friend that lives down the hill, she sells outside. Like, she literally has her whole store set up outside in her yard. So the last time I saw her, she took me into the house and she was showing me. She said, now this room right here is going to be my store. Like, literally walk in from the yard into the house and it's her store. So keeping in mind, I haven't seen her, oh my God, what, 6, 7 months maybe? So yesterday, while in that area, I stopped down there because I saw her outside. So when I go inside, oh my God, she has literally turned that one room in her home into a it's a straight store. I mean, she has like some of the most beautiful like sculptures and pictures and like caftans and jewelry, hats, just like all kind of stuff. I mean, just like beautiful stuff. And we were having a conversation about how just possibilities are endless when you use what it is that you have to try to grow something that you want. So we had a lot of conversation, and that conversation lasted a couple hours. So we did pretty good visiting with each other yesterday. Some really powerful and good conversation. And that's what you need. Miss Keisha put that on there when she bought me coffee. She was saying thank you for being, something like iron sharpening iron. And I would hope that. And I would hope that. I have a son who's 27 years old, and there are many times when he'll have conversation with people, and people will ask him, because he looked like he like 18 or something, but he's 27. And people will ask him, like, how old are you? And he'll say, well, I'm 27. And they'll say, man, you talk like a grown man, like an aged man. And I think that comes from the conversations that we have always had, with him, in the sense of always keeping in mind to build him from the inside out, in terms of his mind and his spirit. And then everything else you could build around that, your body and whatever. But the mind and the spirit is the most important when it comes to building. But anyway, I done already started chatting. I ain't even did the earrings, but I'm sure you guys how I do these. When I bend it, I take both of these together, the wire, and I use my little stick right here, and I'll take it. Let me see how long I want to make them. maybe about right here. So I take it and I bend the wire over it so it'll cross like so. So then that way they're about the same. You can see. So the challenge becomes making them about the same when I begin to cross it. So let me see. Do I want to do this one right here? And then I didn't do it long enough, I don't think. Because I want to do it to where, oh, let's do this one. Let's do this. And put this here. Well, I actually made that too long, so that's not what I wanted. I actually wanted to make it. Let's do it this way. They'll be a little shorter, but that's okay. So I'm going to use this bead first. And then a bigger bead. This is what I wanted it to look like. And it may not come out looking like that, but so I'll do this way. Turn it upside down. And then I want to take the end and turn the end over. Put that little part right there. So we got our end part right there. And then take this over. And we got that like that. So let me do this one too so I can. We'll have this one. And then we'll do this one. And then we'll take it and kind of bend it. Okay, and that's that on that. And then we'll take it down. But then what I want to do, I might, and I like it long like that, so this is what I'm going to do. I'll take it, and then I'm going to wrap the wire at the very top of the bead. So at the very top. So you want to hold it, and you want to take it and begin to wrap. So that I don't bend the wire, I use my pliers to hold it. And then I begin to wrap around like so. So just holding that and then straighten it up. And then hold it with the pliers. And then wrap it, maybe take it down, go across top of that bead a little bit. Give that a little look and then take it back in. And then take that little piece of wire that's left. And then I'm going to bend it in. So I'll take it and just bend. I'm going to do it this way. Always trying to be careful not to bend the wire. So I'll take it in, bend it, and then smash it into there like that. And we don't never want anything poking or sticking or. So that gives us that. And then for me, I like to take that little bottom part, that little hoop part, and then literally just kind of twist it so it'll go flat like that. So then that's one of the earrings. And then we'll take this one, the second one, and we want to begin to wrap it like so. And then I need to take my pliers and then start wrapping it. Hold it. My little table making noise. And then wrap it around the bead. Take it back up. And then I want to take that little sharp part of that wire. Kind of lift it up a little bit just so I can bend it. I'm going to lift it so I can bend it. And then bend it inward. And then take the pliers. See, even like bending it, it already just hit it and tucked it. Because I don't even know where it is. So that's good. I don't even have to do anything with it. It hit it just that good. And I like to take my finger across to make sure I don't feel anything. And then I'll take this little bottom part. Different kind of beads, so it fits different at the bottom. I'm going to just take this and bend this over. Smash it down. And we got that. So let's see. They should be about the same, and it looks like they are. So that's a pair of earrings right there. I think these are really adorable. In fact, I wore those other ones, so I'm gonna put some on. Put the ear wires on. Okay. Very simple and easy and to the point. Right? Easy and to the point. And it's amazing how simple and easy, you know, earrings are to make. It's like sometimes they'll look so complicated. If you don't see how they're made, you'll wonder, it's like, how did you do that? Because I've even seen, you know, jewelry, and it's like, how did you make that like that? And it'd be like the simplest technique. But yet it looks so complicated. Okay, so this is this. And I love these drops, right? I absolutely love these. Really, really pretty. Just really simple, easy to make. You know, just nothing to them at all. Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. Again, thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for always stopping by. Thank you for your support on the Buy Me a Coffee. Your support for your purchases on the website and the Etsy shop and all those good things. I absolutely love the support. That's probably my son trying to call me. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. We'll talk soon.